Coherent breathing, which is also known as resonant breathing, is a basic breathing technique that was recently cited as the perfect breath in James Nestor's best-selling book called Breath, The New Science of a Lost Art. He describes it as, quote, a calming practice that places the heart, lungs, and circulation into a state of coherence, where the systems of the body are working at peak efficiency, unquote. Learn how to do coherent breathing to help reduce stress and anxiety. It is an essential breathing practice that can be used throughout the day, anytime you need to relax. Try this 5-minute breathing meditation right now. Breathe 5.5 seconds in through your nose and 5.5 seconds out through your nose, and continue without pausing. It should feel like a circular wave of breath. And breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. And out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. And out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. And out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Thank you.